So we've managed to get a little bit of time in the workshop here and got some work done on our X3. So just going to show you a little bit of an update on where we're at with that. And then also we've just finished off one of the Yamahas which we're building, and that's ready to go back to the customer now. In the coming weeks I'm going to put together some videos of old archive off-road racing footage. Obviously there's no racing at the moment, but I think it'd be good for everyone to still get their fix. So we're putting together some videos, so keep an eye out for them soon.
The Cagetec Racing X3 now has its cage back from the powder coaters and is sitting on the frame with fabrication of the doors underway. The front end has a Cagetec bumper bolted up, with the front arms being braced with our weld-on kit. Whilst the buggy is currently sitting on factory rims, when in race trim there will be method rims from Race Wheels Australia on all four corners. We have also fitted the Cagetec mud and rock deflectors to the rear arms. Inside, a Hess steering wheel and quick release kit has been installed, whilst a gauge mount has been fitted for the belt temperature gauge, which is yet to be fitted. A set of Cobra Monaco Pro race seats are ready to be mounted once the fuel tanks are installed. We would like to thank our 2020 partners Penrod Oil and Maglock Australia for their support so far with this project. The first of two Yamaha builds is complete and ready to leave the shop. This sports shift model is the same base model that our 2019 race car was based off. This build features a Cagetec Motorsport Australia spec cage, although the vehicle hasn't been specifically built for racing. The additional strength will massively improve the Yamaha in the safety department, with its new cage a big step up from the factory cage, and the Cobra race seats and RPM harnesses again an improvement on stock. Thanks for checking out this short update of some of what's happening at Cagetec at the moment. Stay tuned for some throwback off-road racing videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe to all our social media channels.